Hi everybody, my name's Ruben. I'm the CEO at Nutun International and good to talk to you today. The geopolitical changes is making it a really interesting year for BPOs globally. I think our ability to service our customers and their changing needs in the areas they want, the times they want the service, whilst the landscape around them are changing significantly, is going to be very important. I think what changes it for many BPOs is the partners that you work with. All of a sudden, you might be restricted currently from where you deliver the service. You will need partners to go and meet those client demands. At the same time, it might change some of the fundamental models in the way that we delivered service in the past, where we, from a Nutun perspective, for example, have delivered all of our services in office, in physical locations. Our ability with the change in technology available to us will mean that we'll find talent that might not be in the traditional cities that we've worked in the past. I think that is going to fundamentally change the way BPO operate and think around partnerships, their delivery models from in-office to a hybrid from work from home, and the ability to access talents whilst all of these changes in the world are happening at the same time. I think operating models for most businesses have started to change, not just for BPOs. We see in our clients, they are going through processes where they appreciate access to talent is key in a world where a lot of the traditional contact center work that either us as outsource partners or our clients have done have been impacted through specifically AI, where a lot of the low complexity, high volume interactions are changing. And we need to adapt to be able to really deliver those complex conversations requiring empathy, where the skills needs to match where people are available. And therefore the traditional models will definitely change, where accessing skills at the right time, having a team that understands how to use technology, how to use AI in the way that they deliver their service. It will also require us to reach a speed of competence a lot faster than what we've had in the past. So we need to be able to adapt to our clients faster, and they rely on us as experienced partners to also use technology as one of the avenues to get there. I think the biggest opportunities are really finding the combination of human talent and what AI and technology is bringing. It might be overstated by most businesses, but I think the reality is that the change is so dramatic and significant, is that as a business, we need to make sure that the way we deliver some of our back office services, the way we organize ourselves, is with a technology first and AI first mindset change, which is significant. That will help us drive efficiencies, speed to competence of some of our teams, and really make sure that that sort of augmented position of really using talented people for conversations of empathy, dealing with vulnerable customers, but using the ability of technology to get us faster is really what we need to do in 2026. I think the biggest challenge that we'll face in 2026 is really our ability to absorb the speed at which changes are going to happen. We've already seen we're in the third month of 2026, and the world has already changed significantly from the 1st of January. I think geopolitical risks, buying decisions, the speed of which AI has already again advanced in the last 2 months only, means that our biggest challenge is, do we keep pace with how quick these changes are happening, and making sure that we take decisions that are good for 2026 but also good for 2027. This is not only around replacing people with technology, it is really finding that balance between where do both perform well together, but we have to do it much quicker than we've done it in the past.